New York City Design Factory is an innovation lab based in the School of Computer Science and Information Systems, and we are closely aligned with the Human-Centered Design program.
Human-centered design is more than just a graduate program. I see it as a launchpad for creative thinkers, leaders, and designers. And this program integrates design thinking, innovation, technology, and research.
What stood out about PACE was the Human-Centered Design program because this program was not available in a lot of schools. And what I loved the most about it was the ability to be able to blend people and technology in any area, really, in any industry.
Our faculty are not just academics, they are also coming from the industry. They are real practitioners. We have faculty coming from Google, Meta, all those big companies, and they bring real-world experiences and insights into a classroom. And all the faculty treat our students as collaborators. Right? We don't treat them just purely as students. And in every course, students work on hands-on projects, and they start building their design portfolio in day one.
Our approach is human-centered, design-inspired, and technology-based, and we make it all real through project-based courses and hands-on learning experiences. A unique aspect of the Design Factory is our partnership with the Design Factory Global Network, which is an international community of university-based innovation centers.
Through the New York City Design Factory, I had the opportunity to participate in 2 projects. One of them was in collaboration with Ford, and the other one was in collaboration with CERN. For the project in collaboration with CERN, I had the opportunity to travel to Switzerland and collaborate with physicists, engineers, and people of just different backgrounds there.
Our goal is to empower students with the mindset and the skills they need to solve complex problems using technology.
Whether the students are pursuing UX research, design, or front-end development, they can find a home here, and this is where their journey begins.